I'm just out here walking around my city. I talk about a lot of things and stuff, but one of the things I want to point out, what we need to get prepared for is the weaponization of our country, which we don't see. And I want to point out something that a lot of y'all drive by, don't pay attention to, but you need to open your eyes, because these are future weapons that will destroy your ass. And I'm going to explain about it, but I'm going to point at one. That's a machine right there. That's a tower that sends off electric, lower frequencies, F waves. They're everywhere. I'll stay in Houston, but their towers are everywhere. You know what I'm saying? Those towers will soon do a lot of damage to you because of all the processed foods we eat in the plants, and they carry nanochips. They turn up the volumes. You at home arguing with your girlfriend or boyfriend, you know for no fucking reason, but you going at them so hard, like you gonna kill them. You being driven. You're being drove. You don't know that. It's time for you to wake up. Change your diets, eating habits and shit. Do your damn thing. I'm gonna get back at you, your boy Bishop John.